Hey guys, we are talking about industrialization this week, specifically in the United States. We are talking about how the United States was able to become such an industrialized nation, what helped us with that, things such as geography and natural resources, money, you know, really smart businessmen, entrepreneurs that are going to all be really important factors in helping us become, we're going to become the number one industrialized nation in the world. So it's a really big deal. We're going to be talking about a lot of different things. I said location, the region. We're going to talk about how the Transcontinental Railroad led to this growth in industrialization. We're going to talk about how having really smart businessmen and business tactics led to America becoming industrialized. We'll also talk about how these men, maybe didn't always use the best tactics, strategies, didn't have the best working conditions for their employees, but they were able to rise to the top. There's not really going to be any regulations on the working conditions of people, child labor laws, overtime, workman's comp. None of those things are going to be a factor in our history yet. So we're going to learn about the immigrants and how they helped build this or make America an industrialized nation. We're going to talk about natural resources. We're going to talk about things such as iron and coal and how there's an abundance of those, which those are the two main ingredients to help make steel. So we'll learn about that. We'll learn about different technologies, processes, the Bessemer process with steel. We'll talk about that. So there's a lot of stuff we're going to talk about, a lot of stuff that, a lot of factors that go into this. So you have a strong labor force, natural resources, money, entrepreneurs, and many other things that help to lead America to become industrialized. So stay tuned to learn more about those specifics